Hello everybody, welcome back to another technical analysis. My name's Steven and I'm here to help you chart the muddy waters of cannabis and hemp investing. Today we're looking at another biotech stock. We're looking at Cara Therapeutics and we're just going to jump to the pricing chart because this is one of the most interesting and easy to adapt charts that we've seen in a while. So you'll see that we're looking at Cara Therapeutics, the ticker is CARA. Again, we're using our Hakanashi. And today we're using a couple tools we've talked about in the past. Our Kaufman moving average, that's in the blue line here, and we know that that's a weighted moving average. And then we're looking at the exponential moving average, that's in the orange line here, and we know that the exponential moving average doesn't follow price as quickly as the Kaufman, but it's better than just a normal smooth moving average. And then our friend the chaikin oscillator, which as we all know uses the MACD and the accumulation distribution line. So how do we put all of these pieces together? First, look at Cara. Wow, what kind of volatility is this? A couple months ago, $12 up to 21, down to 18, big swing up to 23, down to 18. That's the kind of volatility that we like to take advantage of in cannabis stocks. That's why we love cannabis and hemp stocks. Huge volatility means huge opportunity for us to take our gains. We know from the chaikin, let's use that first as our first indicator. When we go from negative to positive, that's our bullish signal. So the easiest interpretation is right here. We cross 0, and let's see what happens. Actually, our EMA is below the Kaufman, and so we get a bullish signal from the chaikin, and look what happens just one day later. We're using days here for each candle. We get a cross. The Kaufman is crossing the EMA. You'll see the blue line cross from above to below this orange line. So our actual trend is confirmed. We get the buy signal here. We get a confirmed buy signal from these moving averages. And look what happens to price. Wow, all the way up. And the moving average, the orange line, the exponential, stays above the blue line. Our chaikin stays positive. So we would have been in that trend the entire time using these. That's huge gains from 21 to 12. Really tough to see those types of gains in non-cannabis stocks. Then we see, what do we see here? Again, the chaikin crosses from positive to negative right here. And what do we see in price? We're going down, the trend is down, and just 1, 2, 2.5 to 3 periods later, we see the cross again of the EMA and the Kaufman. So our bearish signal here, 2 periods later, 3 periods later, our bearish signal is confirmed by the EMA Kaufman KMA cross. So from that point, confirmed, we could have taken advantage of another couple periods of downward trend. And we can do the exact same thing here. Look at the Kaufman, stays around 0, crosses, confirmed 2 periods later, big upswings. Here we go, we cross down negative, and our actual signal was actually confirmed 2 days prior. So this downtrend would have been a little tougher to trade, but I want you to just focus in on what's happening right now, today. We got a fresh cross, 1 period later, we have our EMA and our Kaufman moving average cross to confirm that trade. So something to pay attention to. Cara Therapeutics, remember to tie in all your indicators. We learn them one at a time, but we interpret them together in bunches. They're much more powerful that way. So thank you very much. Thanks for paying attention, and make sure and comment if you have any questions.